Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials into your workspace so nothing interrupts the alterations. Put the track pants on with the shoes you'll wear them with. This sets the correct length and waist tension. Once done, pinch and pin where the fabric should sit, measure the reduction in centimeters or inches, and add a 1/2 seam allowance. Make clear marks on both sides and the back so your later stitching stays symmetrical. Now you're ready to open the waistband for adjustment. You'll work through the trickiest middle steps now. Use a seam ripper to open a small section of the inner waistband where you can access the elastic. Once exposed, remove the old elastic or mark and cut the excess. Overlap the new or shortened elastic by one and sew securely with a zigzag stitch to keep stretch. If you want an adjustable fit, thread a new drawstring through the casing using a safety pin. Make sure to test the tension and symmetry before resealing. You finish by closing the waistband opening with even stitches and pressing the seam flat so the alteration lies invisible. Use a low iron setting to protect synthetics. Try the pants on and walk around to confirm comfort and fit. If one side sits higher, add a small dart or slightly shorten the opposite side to balance. If the waist feels too tight, release about 1/4 inch of elastic and resew. Redistribute any uneven gathers before final stitching, and you're done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.